morning guys, welcome to another adventure. I wanted to go fish off Durban bluff, but look at these swells, man. These things are 2.5 meters high, massive. So it's windy and the wind is probably going to pick up more, so coming past the harbour mouth we decided to call it. It's not going to be safe. There's massive swells to fish. Ultimately that's why we're doing it, to enjoy it. Put ourselves in danger. Get some of those big swells breaking there. Harbour ball. The UC is the safest place to launch when that sea is up, but the swells are this big, so it's not safe enough on a ski boat or a paddle ski. The guys on ski boats can still go out. Maybe we'll just sit on the south of the other side out of these massive swells, see if we can't get the queen mackerel and lure it. Now, let's get over the give you guys an idea how fast we're drifting. So busy doing some spinning, casting bullets to see if we can't pick up a mackerel. Wind noise is bad, I apologize. Incredible, this container ship are moving into the port now. It's incredible to see what speed these guys are moving. Wow. I see some of my freight on there as well. One thing about Durban port, our vessels dock quickly and they start working a lot faster than any of our other ports in South Africa. That's why this port is a main economic hub for us in Southern Africa. Well guys, that's it. Ended up an enjoyable morning. Lots of wind, lots of waves, no fish. But yeah, it was a solid awesome morning. So yeah, let's go out. Let's go beach. Show you why do you see here the beach is limestone pier. It's the best place to go and launch and beach when the conditions are like it is now. Very popular water sport place. Lots of skis, paddle skis, surf skis, stand-up paddle skis. Get all parts like out of the sea when I'm drowning.
Lekker.